What it do? What it do?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today is what day is it? It's Thursday. Lebo and Jezreel got here yesterday. We had a good night. We chilled and just drank, nothing deep. And now we are about to film 2 videos for my channel, and then after that we are gonna go to the beach. There actually really isn't much that we can do because of Miss Coronavirus. So yeah, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night. We're about to leave and go to the beach. I'm so excited.
Listen, let's go.
So yeah, we're about to leave now, and then firstly I need to go pick up my glasses because I'm blind and I'm so tired of it. Like, I'm so tired. So we are gonna go and get my glasses, and then we're gonna go get. Are we taking the hut to the beach? Yes. Oh, and then we're gonna go buy flavor, and then we're gonna go buy Polaroid film. Yes, 22 this bitch. Okay, so we just got to Clifton. We're at Clifton 4th, and we're gonna go find a place to set up and chill. It's like 4, so we're probably gonna be here until like 7 so that we can watch the sunset. Comment down below if you want Jezreel to start his own YouTube channel.
I need to. I want to. So
comment down below.
Let's go.
We're at the beach right now, and
Kayla! You know, I'm looking in that direction.
How did she even find us? Hi, honey. Oh, beach bunnies. You guys look so cute. We're at the beach right now and stuff.
Hi, how are you?
Can I say hi to my vlog? Oh, please. Hi. Hello. Randy. Hi, how are you? Anyway, so Adrian, Ray, and Kayla just got here, and yeah, we're just gonna chill basically, like, and relax and stuff. Yeah. I'm
here out in Clifton. You know the vibe. I'm out here chilling, bro.
Breakfast in bed on a plane. I could never complain. I was walking with the limp, had the cane. Deck said greatness.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So
be a pleasure, guys.
you been that bad for me.
The sun has set. Guys, this is so lovely. Every time I come to places like Camps Bay, I'm always like, I can't believe I fucking live here.
Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip blocking, but you.
I can definitely be there.
We are gonna leave the beach soon, so I'm probably not gonna film until we get home. But we're gonna get home, and then we're basically just gonna like chill and drink and stuff, self-quarantine. But yeah, I'm probably gonna film for like 2 seconds there. Maybe it's gonna be like a cute little montage. So I think maybe I should end the video here or not? No, actually keep watching. I feel like if I end it, yeah, you guys are not gonna keep watching. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You look good!
Really hiding for 9
You know.
No, I've already done. Like, I've already done.
But like, that's so close to my face.
You're not
Okay, camera ready.
Oh my god.
I'm
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today is day 3 of, well, day 2 for you guys. Day 2 of my birthday celebration with my besties, and we are going out for dinner. I think I'm gonna join today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog, but we'll see, because we're literally just going out for dinner right now. So maybe I'll film some of the dinner, and then I'll film like the wine tasting, and everything will basically be together. Lev, please come like show them how pretty you look right now. Whose best friend is that? Who is she? Please come closer.
Can you even see me?
You can. Oh, she's so pretty. But yeah, Jezreel is just being antisocial. I don't know what he's doing. I want to show you guys my outfit, but I can't because my house is an absolute mess and you guys would really judge me. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next clip, basically.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Okay, so we just got our food, what, Life Grand. I'm wearing Jezreel's jacket because I'm freezing. But yeah, the babies. But yeah, we're about to eat now and stuff, and then we're gonna go home and chill. Like nothing much is happening because we can't drink here because of the new coronavirus rules. So we're literally having water. Literally. Hey guys, so I'm back home right now. We're just chilling. We've actually been back for quite a while. We are just chilling, having a good time. I doubt I'm gonna film. I'll film like a little bit, and then this is gonna be the end of the week video. Huh? Same. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Basically, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for 800 subscribers, by the way. Yeah.